You gotta start taking care of your hair before bed. Right before bed, there's certain things you can do to take care of your hair. Even if your hair is low like mine, you should take care of the health of your hair because I don't want you to end up bald. And that's where most of us are going, so I would start with number one, sleep with a baseball cap. Or a beanie, not a baseball cap, a beanie. Something to cover your head. This I used to do more so when I had longer hair, but it's key for two reasons. One, it protects your hair against damage. See, as you're tossing and turning in bed, you may be causing a lot of friction, which will end up causing split ends into your main strands of hair, which ultimately causes damage. If you want your hair to stay protected, put it in a beanie, then go to sleep. Women do this all the time. They usually will put it in a bun or whatever. You can do a similar effect by wearing some sort of cap. On top of, if you have wavy hair like I do or curly hair, the beanie will also help straighten out your hair so the next morning it's a little bit straighter and more manageable for you to style. Number two, use a leave-in conditioner. This is a step I would say most men are skipping and it will change the game. See, leave-in conditioners are like a conditioner, but just like supercharged. It's just filled with hydration, so your hair is softer. The more hydrated and softer your hair is, the healthier it'll be, the thicker it'll be, and the easier it'll be to manage and style as you please. If you want to reach that level, right after you shower, right before you go to bed, grab some leave-in conditioner, put it in, you can then put the beanie, go to sleep. I promise you the next morning, game changer. Day and night, guaranteed. Or come back to this video and leave me hate, and you won't, because I do this all the time, and it's gonna leave your hair soft. If you don't have a great leave-in conditioner, I would suggest you check out our curling cream from Heat Grooming. So our curling cream is basically just oils and botanicals and other hydrating ingredients. That's why it's a cream that when you apply it, you can leave it in your hair. It doesn't make it hard, it doesn't do any of that. All it does is it rehydrates your hair, and it could be a great substitute if you don't have a leave-in conditioner. So you know what? I'm gonna hook it up for you. If you guys subscribe to our shower bundle, which is our best-selling bundle yet, we got thousands of subscribers. I'm excited about the shower bundle. It's our body wash, our shampoo, and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner, it's the best you'll find in the game, the healthiest for your hair. It's filled with biotin to thicken your hair every time you shower. Also, it's infused with tea tree oil to hydrate your hair. On top of it, it smells amazing. It is the best. I'm being biased because it's mine, but yes, it is the best you'll ever find. That shower bundle gets delivered to your door every time you need it. It's premium. You'll smell amazing. You'll thank me. But here, I'm going to make it even better. If you guys subscribe, I'm going to give you 30% off your subscription, but I'm not going to leave it there. I'm also going to give you a free bottle of our curling cream so you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. That bottle's like $50. I'm going to give it to you for free. So essentially, you're basically subscribing for free plus a 30% off. Yeah, you're basically getting it for free. If I were you, I would take advantage of that offer. Link will be down below. Number three, wash out all the product. During the day, most of you pile on layers of product to try to keep your hair styled or in place. That product does two things. One, it damages the hair if it's not made with natural ingredients and has a lot of synthetics and alcohol. The longer you leave it in the hair, the more it dries out. But more importantly, number two, it's bad for your skin. As you sleep with that product gets rubbed around all over your bed sheets, all over your pillowcases, and then ultimately ends up in your face, clogging your pores, causing acne. So every time before you go to bed, wash out the product. Number four, use silk sheets. Game changer. Not only will you just sleep better because it's cooler, it's softer, it's more comfortable, it's healthier for your hair and your skin. This is scientifically proven. See, regular cotton sheets have a lot of traction or a lot of texture. That texture causes friction as you toss and turn during the night. This can also cause wrinkles and can also cause split ends like I was talking about earlier. So if you make a switch to silk sheets, not only will you sleep in luxury, and by the way, they're not that expensive. You can get them on Amazon for like 30, 40 bucks, but also you will be saving your skin and your hair in the long run. Number five, comb your hair out. If you have medium to long hair or hair like I had previously, every night before going to bed, you should be combing it out and taking out all the knots. Remember, as you toss and turn, your hair is pulling. If you keep it knotted, that just adds strain onto the strand of hair and also to the scalp of your hair, which can ultimately lead to alopecia. Number six, don't go to sleep with wet hair. Most of you don't know this, but when your hair is wet, it is at its weakest state. Meaning, if you take your showers at night like I used to do, you want to make sure you're really drying out your hair with a t-shirt. Really absorb all that moisture, and then grab a blow dryer, put it on a low setting on cool air, not hot air, and then just blow dry until it's fully dried out. Going to sleep when your hair is at its weakest, what do we know? It's gonna cause damage because of all the tossing and turning. Ultimately, number 7, do a scalp massage. Now, there are scalp massage tools that you can buy that you can use in the shower, or you can just use your fingertips, but as you apply your leave-in conditioner, give yourself a 5 to 10 minute massage. Not only is it relaxing, but every salon does this for a reason. They know scientifically it stimulates blood flow. Blood flow to the scalp is great for the health of your hair follicle so it can produce thicker, fuller hair.